Dear friends, on behalf of the Kyrgyz Internet Society, I would like to wish you a happy new year. And using this opportunity, I would like to share some of the initiatives that we have implemented in Kyrgyzstan and in Central Asia this year. Among the very important initiatives that we have implemented is the IlimBox offline digital library. When all the schools shut down and went to the online mode of learning, many of the schools in the villages were left without access to information. So we delivered to over 150 schools these IlimBox digital libraries, which work without access to the internet. We went even further, and now we are working on the second stage of this initiative, which is called IlimBox 2.0, which is an online educational portal where students and teachers from 7th grade to 11th grade can study online in Kyrgyz language. Furthermore, we are now working on video experiments in physics and chemistry, which would be available online. Over 1,000 video experiments in Kyrgyz language would be uploaded to the IlimBox portal. In addition to this, we are working with teachers and students in rural areas on building digital skills and using the internet for productive uses. Also, I would like to mention here that not only in Kyrgyzstan, but we are working in the Central Asia wider region. Especially, we are very happy to cooperate with GIGA initiative of UNICEF and ITU on connecting schools, rural schools of Kazakhstan, Uzbekistan and Kyrgyzstan to the internet. Also, speaking of regional projects, in the city of Osh, in the Fergana Valley, we launched the Internet Exchange Point, which would help bring the prices down for the residents of Kyrgyzstan, Uzbekistan and Tajikistan, and at the same time improve the speed and the quality of the internet. And finally, another very interesting initiative we launched is the cybersecurity and personal data protection. The more people connect to the internet in Central Asia, the more they need to be defended from the cyber threats, and this is the area where we are also working. In conclusion, I would like to say thank you to all our friends and partners for your support and your help in implementing all these initiatives, and I would like to wish you all a happy new year. Thank you very much.